Hey Mia, how are you? Welcome everyone to the stream. How are you all doing? Let me quickly change this over to my other playlist. Welcome everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome to today's stream. I'm not normally live this late. A little Eepy, but doing okay. How are you? Yeah, I'm not normally live this late, but I haven't done a dev stream in a little while, and I really wanted to. So yeah, I'm going to try and work a little bit on a little side project I've been, no surprise, procrastinating on, but yeah. Actually, let's take this playlist up to there. So yeah, I'm working on this like gas station sim type of game currently. What my current plan is to first make sure that these truck bays are fully set up. Input needed. That's the stats for the bay I want. Okay, yeah, that's all sorted. So yeah, I'm working on a little gas station spooky game. Not sure where I'm fully going with it yet. It's still kind of like formulating. But currently, 6, 7. I need to get 7 of these here. What I'm actually gonna do for these is delete all of these ones. So that way I can make this a little bit easier. Because we need 16 of these. And we do that. Okay, it looks like I may have a slight issue here. Things not quite lining up. Okay, there we go. That's good, I think. Then what we'll do is that we'll set this back to 0. Lock this. So what has everyone been up to today? Also, some little news. The whole job hunt thing that I was on, I may be getting one soon. There's like a whole training thing I'm doing next week. That will... And if I pass that, I may be able to get one. I will need to structure the streams around everything, and it does mean that the streams will likely be later. Depending on which shift I end up with, or whatever. But I still plan on keeping on going, but also it does mean I should hopefully be able to, you know, not only just help family out, but potentially fund a lot of stuff I want to do as well. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do this is... Prefab. Place. Okay, screw it. So I'm pretty happy with this at the moment, being as it is. The thing we're going to need to add is an anime. No, not an animation, an animator. Because I want to add a little bit of an RNG element to this. Where's my prefabs folder? Prefabs. The idea is for these to be sat still. Let's rename this vehicle. Okay. Okay, so we've got one there. I think what I can do is replace. There we go. That actually saves me so much of a headache, being able to do that. Right, okay, so all of those are there. Nice. What if I go for terrain marked as? What I may do is create this into an endless loop. So that way if the player goes too far, it'll fade out and then they'll just end up at the other end. That might be an idea. So yeah, none of this is textured currently. This is our play capture here, which is mostly functional. Also, a thing I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to grab the nav mesh surface, hit bake. So now if I was to hit surface and then show nav mesh, all this will show up. I need that to not be AI walkable territory. I'm hoping by doing this, this will just deal with that. Nope. I do have plans to texture a lot of this in the future. I'm just getting all the like blueprinting and stuff done. Oh wait, I just realized this is just... What's that? What is this? Why is there something invisible here? Ah. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that. That's the original blueprint before I made this and it being much smaller. Okay. So what I want to do here is... Right, what I'll need here is the animation window. Create. Right, we're gonna create a truck idle state. Where the truck is just there. Truck. I think it's for position and rotation I will want. Right, yeah, that probably isn't working because that's on. Okay, since when do I have to right click? Okay, that's all we want there. And we're going to switch off loop because we don't need it to be looping. But now when we look at this, this should have a brain. Oh wait, I don't want to lie. My brain's one too many steps. We're gonna set an int here and call it truck state. The other state we are going to create is where the truck will be underneath. We'll just call it truck gone. Saves me a little bit of a headache. And what we're going to do for this is we're going to grab the truck and move it to, let's say we'll move it to down here. No, I didn't want to do that. No, I just wanted the truck. Thank you. So say that's our state there. Tell this to go to there, and we shall put that there. So that's the truck gone created state. Now I don't know if I'm okay. Hold on, I'll be back in a minute. Family needs me. I'm back, everyone. Sorry I was gone for a moment. Right, where was I? So yeah, I've just set up these two. Hey, heck. My brain has frozen a moment. I'll get there. Right, yeah, so animator. I've got truck states here. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna create a thing of where like if it equals 0, no, if let's say 4, just so that way in case I have other. So if it's 0, it's this. If it's 4, it's this. And what this will enable me to do is create a little branch out here of what to go between. Right, yeah. This is another one that I will want to tick the looping off. Okay, so this is gonna look silly. But another thing I'm going to do is create another clip called let's call it Truck in Danger, so we know what it is. It's weird not to have a plus there. Right, no, it's not the truck sort, it's this. What I can probably do is create this. Crap. Yeah, thanks. So then if I copy one more of these, this is gonna look so silly at first. Let's reduce it down a little bit. Such a simple but beautiful thing. So we're gonna add this one in as well. And this one, it doesn't make sense to have one going from here between these two to happen. So the condition we're going to set for this is equals 1. We'll set that one to 3, thinking about it. Yeah. Okay, so we have that to 3. And then what we will do is we'll switch this back to idle. Then we're going to create a truck lost. And for this one, we're going to create a 2 transform variables. Position and rotation. So first we're going to get it to go down a little bit, little by little. Well, let's turn this off. So that goes to about there. Then if we copy the truck gone stuff, there we go. Then what we can do is something a little like this. Whoops. Then let's say we turn those to like that. But also, I want it to be a bit more sudden. So if we have it snapped to about here, I'm going to post that there. Then we'll go to here. Copy that one. Paste it about there. Okay, we can actually extend this out a little bit. Let's say we move these to more about halfway. Something like that. Because also this is mainly just placeholder. So for this one, we're going to have transition to here, and then one to here. Equals to what, 2? We're gonna change this one to 2, thinking about it. But we're also gonna make a transition back to here. To equals 0. So this kind of creates a whole thing. And then this one doesn't need... Let's say something like that. So the truck loss doesn't need a loop, because then it'll just go into the next one. And it doesn't need a condition either, because when this happens, it just goes straight across. So by setting this to 1, it goes to here. Then to 2, it goes down to these states. But if it's in idle and it gets set to 2, then it goes straight to gone. Okay, so if we make this... Apply. Okay, yeah. So another thing I'm going to do here to save this stuff breaking, because sometimes stuff likes to break as prefabs, is I'm going to strip them of their Pro Builder stuff. Tools, Pro Builder, Actions, in Selection. Yes. Yep, I'm happy to do that. So we're going to collapse all the truck slots down again. And I'm going to hit reversal. Okay, there we go. So now what I should be able to do is, it set up a little loop statement on start that will go through each of the trucks with a set amount to guard. Because the idea is to be able to guard these trucks. Basically, someone will try and grabbing and dragging it down. Just, this is mine now. So the idea is to set up a little RNG system that will have all of these set up. Brain. And then they'll just be able to be pinched and stuff. Okay, we've all got truck slot on. So what we can do is, along with this, what we can do is we can get the animator. We don't need it to be public or serialized because we're just going to retrieve it from the game objects at start. Also, we don't need an underscore. That breaks my naming convention. I love when Ventile code actually helps out. The other thing we're going to do is anim dot right. What I need to do is yeah, so this works for what I'm doing. Anim dot set integer why name the parameter truck state. I'm just gonna copy that and paste it here. Okay, there we go. Else so the first thing we're going to do is stop the countdown. And also I should set it so that way it's an elf is. I want an equals sign there. Also, if the time remaining is lower or equal to 0, anim dot set integer truck state 2. Trying to think. The other thing I should do is, if the trucks are going to start off in a active position is set up a public void for the truck to be set to off. And the other thing we shall do is truck. Wait, no. We can't do that here. So create a public... void. Truck. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, we'll just run, frick, what is it? Oh, kill truck. Whoops. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. Truck is here, truck status, trucks. Right, yeah. So what I need to do for the hub script is create a RNG picker at the start. Right, yeah, so truck bay, this is where I need to create a little public one of deactivate truck. So yeah, what I need to do is anim dot settings truck state 2. Then we want to get the truck status dot truck math color. We want, whoops, I hit alt by accident. And we want to set this to color to change to. Okay, so if that's like that, we're also going to call kill truck. Because that will help on that one. Huh. Kill truck. Okay, so yeah, I need a... Right, yeah. Int. We will want this serialized, so I'll quickly do truck to keep. I'm gonna make that serialized. I don't think we will want a start for this one. Right. So the other thing we'll do is a public void. No, we can do this at the start. Right. It's a while loop I want. No. We can do this with 4 each. Truck bay. If trucks to keep is greater than 0. I think what we're going to do is get also adds in 3 minutes, everyone. Right. We're going to run a random number. Right, random range from 0 to 1. Oh, this is gonna take a moment. My brain is slowly getting there. If number pick is equal to 0, let's say, what we're going to do is we are just going to deduct 1. Else, this is where we will need the brackets. Deactivate truck. And then to make this a little bit easier for later, what we're going to do is deduct the truck. There we go. This doesn't really need an update as far as I'm aware currently. Just cleaning up where I can. Right, also, the other thing I should do for the truck parking hub is, if this is not the case, else truck, fuck it. We do that anyway. The only difference is we're not deducting one. Alright, let's try this. Watch all the errors happen. Damn. Also, I want to keep naming conventions there, so do that. Right, do you want to serialize this for a moment? Wait, no, it should be visible anyway. Right? But yeah, that's... Right, the thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this to awake. Because that should be done before, Ah. Okay, I've got an idea. What we're going to do now, instead, is we're going to create, Right, list. Truck bay. To keep. Pretty sure I can just reduce that down to that. So instead of removing, we're going to add the add. Then at the end of all of this, we're going to do equals trucks to keep. Did it? Wait, hold on. The other thing I need to do is that truck count I need to get a hold of. I mean... Hey, where did it... What are you up to, Athena? You're tagging your tail, huh? She's like, no, I'm not. Don't know what you're on about. Deactivate truck, that's... Alright, yeah, it's another one of those things of... Okay, there we go. Cool, what the heck is apparently missing? Oh right, I just seen what that is. Whoops. Okay, there we go on that path. Right, my brain's frozen for a moment. Right, yeah. So the other thing I do want to get done is back here. Let's say I'm gonna create a 3D object of a cube. Where's that cube? We're gonna reduce this to about half its height, I think. This isn't going to be his final resting place, just for now, this is where it's gonna be. Interactive objects, we're going to mark as static. Interactable. Right, it's one of... Right, we want to create a new script. Let's call this item station. Create an ad. So that's going to be a little bit of pain for me on the that stuff. So this pickup interactable is gonna act a little bit differently to how the other ones. We're not going to be actually adding a pickupable to the... Like, we're not going to be picking up an object, we're going to be adding one to the player, so that way it's not going to be... Basically, there's going to be a resource in this game of making sure that the player can pick up an item and save these trucks from being claimed by this entity that just really wants the trucks. And so... yeah, we are going to be making a system where we can just pick up the thing from the station and then use that said thing. Also, I want to move this down the bottom. Nothing far. Oh, did I leave a bright? Huh? There's a missing... There it is. Whoops. It happens sometimes. Right, okay, so... we're going to create a void. Give player item. So, to start off, we're going to have a serialized field for us, for a... My brain will think of it in a moment. Game object. Is there anything else I would want to rename this? Item station resource. That's fuck it. It's not a bad name that I came up with, but screw it. But that's what I would rather have. Where now? There we go. Right. Alright, so what we want to do for this is... Right. The script I want to quickly poke is the pickup one. Also, I'm going to quickly drag these into the prefabs. No, that's not where I should have dragged it. Crap. Scripts, that's where I should have dragged it. I'm gonna quickly, I'm gonna close Visual Studio so it doesn't keep reloading everything constantly. That can go in MUI, menus. That's menu stuff. I'm just gonna move that into game objects. It's the same thing. So it'll be item station. Sorry, I'm ended up doing tidying right now. Then the folder we're gonna call game objects managers. Because that's what these are here. They're just managers for stuff. I might play something for like a little bit, by the way, on the 2-hour mark. I'm not sure what. But we shall see. Huh. Sorry, my brain just got distracted. I've seen that like countless times but never clicked on it. Right, item station. The other thing I want is the pick-upable. Where enough is that script? Oh, it was right there. I was blind. So first I'm going to move these together because those are important. Pretty much all of this I can grab. That one I can get rid of. Right, first I'm going to copy this pickup one, but I don't need the rigid body and stuff. Wait, no. Okay, so. Leave that blank for a moment, because I still need to... This will end up a little bit different. Instead of that, we're going to do give player item. Also, we're gonna play into here a game object. So if we do prefab there, differentiate. Possibly lose that. And then also... Right, also, let's do... game object... Doesn't matter how many times we use that version of prefab because it's local to the function.
Oh. Shit. My neck's gone to sleep.
Yeah. Get components. Item, because it will have item on there. Or we can turn this into item instead. Reduce this back down to prefab, and then instead we do that there. Also, what I may do is a little check. Da da da. No, right. So what I can do is da da da. My brain is frozen at the moment. I need to see my what's this? The inventory system. Right, we have two lists, one of item, one of the okay, apparently just the suggested idea is that I do also adds in any second. So we want to do if play inventory dot what is the list? Inventory inventory full. Item storage, right. I want to change this one into a readable one. I really did never, fix that one to fit my naming convention. Right. Also, we mark this as public. That's the bit I forgot. And we'll move this up with the others. Right. Prefab dot. What was I writing? Play inventory dot. Contains. Because we're using item and not also, we'll do a formatted. So I'm just researching a moment. This is a bit of a pain trying to dig through for this. Da, da, da. You know what, fuck it, I have an idea of how I can do this. So what we are going to do next is instead replace the game mode, no, not replace. So instead of trying to do some fancy system here, we're just going to simply create a storage. So we're going to create item. I think having a readable list will be useful anyway. Wait, what did I call it? Equals null. Else return. I think that's fairly simple. So ideally what this will do, it will give me a this once my brain works. I do have to set up the whole inventory system again, which is going to be a bit of a pain, but you know, it is what it is. Do I have a game manager? No. Alright, let's turn the crossfade off for now. Right, first off, let's start off by setting, one. There we go. Oops. Right, yeah. Da da da. Okay, right, so what I need to do is... Let's padlock this first. Right, here's our inventory system here, the UI for it. Just so things don't break and I don't have to go re-editing everything. Da da da. Inventory. Let me. So there's that one, that one. Okay, so that one's the border. Yeah, we'll give Athena a treat in a moment. Also, welcome to the stream, Margaret. How are you? Athena, come here. She's already sat waiting. I haven't even touched the flipping packet yet. She's sat here waiting, flipping lemming. Yeah, hi. There you go, go. First time you've done that. Even after someone saying that I've got one for you. Little tired, currently tinkering with my inventory system to make it work. Who's bonking? Thanks for bonk, Alex. I need to check something a moment. Alright, give me a sec, everyone. Stuff doesn't like to update. What? What are you screaming at me for? What are you after? What, food? Water? I normally say one of those two things to figure out what she's after, because she never normally harasses me unless this much, unless she really wants something. Hey, come. Madam Yapper. Right, I better go see which one it is. I'll be back. Right, I'm back. She's happy. Screw it, we'll apply all of those. Okay, yeah, that should be all set up. Vampires, I'm going to be... Right, hold on. Okay, yeah. That should work. Right, there's a truck there. Where's the number 2? Okay. So we need a 2 for there. Fabs. You know, we're gonna create a placeholder. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a little small object. We don't need a collider for it. Uh, 0.25, let's say. Okay, we'll have that one as... We'll have it this way around. Rather than having that, we're going to have item on it. Okay, there we go. That's that set up. Okay, I think that'll do for that. So I need to check something in the ad. If item to add dot item image does not equal null, we can just do this. Yep, I'm happy with that. Item station. We'll just put this. Then we'll go to first truck. Modified apply. There we go. So first part of this I want to test is if I can pick it up. Then from there it's just more of building up the rest of the game system to run this. I'm not seeing any errors down the bottom, which is a good sign. What's happening? 86. Oh, right. Whoops. Primary action, and then we will also return object info. Oh wait, there's something else I need. What we shall do is... I should all reconfigure. I don't have the whole fetching these things yet integrated in. As in 3 minutes, everyone. There we go. Player inventory, truck mats, fencing. Yeah. Does it do? Great, truck stat. Right, yeah, what I need to do is clear the storage slot. Which is where that item, I remember now, that's where the item counter comes in handy. If... max storage space is bigger than 1. We'll do that, otherwise leave it as B. So what we shall do in the reset is player dot current obj Right, no. Play inventory. Dot. Clear storage. Sort. Player. Dot. Currents. OBJ. Dot. Get components. Item. Dot. Item storage number. That's what we're after. I'm vibing to this music a lot. My brain has frozen again. This is just great. So once that's done, right, hold on. Yeah, so something I need to do. Game object dot. Right, game object. Player dot current OBJ. Also, we can probably just reduce this down to cleaning item. Then on top of that, we shall then do a destroy cleaning item. Like that. So in theory, what this will let me do is pick up an item, and then when create a new item that will become handheld, and then destroy it to clean up space and stuff when I interact with the truck. Let's see, been streaming for 2 hours now, and it's currently 11:30. I may wrap it up here for today. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So yeah, this is something that I'm hoping to work on a lot more in the coming weeks. Oh no, there's a red arrow. What's the red arrow? It was line 86. Strange. I think that was before I hit thing. See, I think I'm gonna wrap up for today. Thank you everyone so much for joining me. My brain just froze for a moment. So yeah, I should be live tomorrow with Halo Combat Evolved Lasso for more joyful suffering. But for everyone new around here, feel free to check out everything in the link tree. There. Also, by the way, I have someone editing the VODs for Viewfinder. They say I think they want to do part 2 as well. So potentially going to be tomorrow. When it goes live, if not the next day. Let me quickly find them. Because they honestly they are really talented in the VFX and video editing areas. Well, yeah, VFX, I don't know, brain, but yeah, this is them, Fenrir. So to kind of show you, this is what their editing is like. This was for over 2K followers. Definitely go check them out. They are an amazing person, very skilled. That's their own Nova Beast, adult and baby Nova Beast. Well, brain. Don't worry about it. But yeah, make sure to go check them out. They are an amazing person that's helping me out a little bit. And pretty much they have free reign to just pick up a VOD and edit them, so there may be some random edited VODs out there. So yeah. Thank you everyone so much for joining me, and... Wait, hold on. Do I want to raid out? I'm gonna check someone that I will likely want to raid out to. Yeah, we're gonna go say hi to Exo Drifter. It's been forever. So let's go say hi. They're currently doing game development, working on a escape room in Godot, which, for everyone that doesn't know, is one of the game engines that's growing quite fast to rival, for indie developers, that is also helping rival Unity and... Yeah, Unity and Unreal. So yeah, thank you everyone so much for joining me, and I shall see you all tomorrow. See ya!